Hey, family. Right now, life feels heavy for many people. In the United States, we're watching things unfold chaotically: a government shutdown, economic uncertainty, political chaos, chronic affordability issues, and the list goes on. And beneath all that, there's this raging undercurrent of fear. People are wondering what's next. Can I survive this? But here's what I want to talk about today. What if difficult times aren't here to destroy us, but to reveal what's truly meant to last? What if our current struggles are not meant to pull us back, but to move us forward towards a place called better? Let's talk about why hard times are the invitation to your next chapter. When times get tough, our instinct is survival. We tighten our grip. We fight to restore what was. We want things to go back to normal because that's where we felt safe. But here's the truth: sometimes normal wasn't working. Sometimes what we were trying to hold on to was already falling apart. Not because we failed, but because it wasn't sustainable anymore. Hard times are like a stress test. They reveal what structures, relationships, habits, and systems can withstand pressure and which ones crumble under it. And while that can feel like loss, it's also valuable information. That's data about what's real, what's resilient, and what's ready to evolve. When you're in survival mode, it's easy to forget that the point of life isn't just to survive, it's to grow. And growth doesn't come from comfort, it comes from pressure. Think about it. Every transformation, whether it's a seed sprouting, a butterfly emerging, or a human healing, starts in dark, tight, uncomfortable space. So maybe these moments of uncertainty aren't punishment. Maybe they're preparation. Maybe they're teaching us to build better, to build stronger systems, deeper connections, and more conscious ways of living. If you're watching this and you're feeling overwhelmed, if your spirit feels tired and you're not sure how to move through these emotions, I invite you to pause and reconnect with yourself. In this season, you need to work on you and build better than you ever have before. I'd love to meet with you in a 60-minute holistic wellness session to help you release stress, restore balance, and realign with your inner strength. You need this. You can book a session with me through the link in the description or by scanning the QR code on the screen. It's time to build better, starting within. So, how do we build better when everything feels uncertain? We start by asking better questions. Instead of, how do I get back to how things were? Ask, what can I create that aligns with my higher, best self? Instead of clinging to comfort, seek clarity. Instead of chasing what's familiar, choose what's authentic. That might mean simplifying your life. It might mean reevaluating relationships, career goals, and even how you take care of your health. But that process, that honest self inquiry, is how we move from reaction to creation. Because creation is where healing happens. It's where we take all the pain and pressure and turn it into purpose. When the world feels chaotic, grounding becomes your greatest tool. Breathe. Move your body. Pray. Journal. Meditate. Reconnect to what is eternal. Your breath, your spirit, your inner wisdom. You can't control the world's storms, but you can learn to steady your inner seas. And from that place of stillness, clarity begins to rise. That's when ideals come. That's when strength returns. That's when you begin to realize you're not just surviving anymore, you're evolving. If you're ready to take that next step, to find your calm, heal your energy, and rebuild from the inside out, I'd love to guide you. Book a holistic wellness session with me and let's create a personalized path forward. Together, we'll help you find your peace in the middle of the storm and build your place called better. Every storm eventually clears, but what we choose to build after the storm, that's what defines us. So don't fight to go back. Fight to build better. Because better isn't a place you find, it's a place you create. If this message resonates with you, give it a like, share with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe for more holistic guidance and soulful conversations. Until next time, be bold, be great, and be inspired. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for joining me to watch another episode of Danielle Inspires. If you have not done so already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the alert button to be aware of new content as soon as it is released, and share this video with those you love. See you next time.